everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add audio to your Canva video in just a few steps. So first you have to open your video project, then go to the audio tab at the left hand side bar. Now as you can see here there are lots of videos available. If you have Canva Pro then you can use the Pro ones, but if you don't have it just click on Music Free tab and here you will see there are plenty of videos you can use for free. So just select any of this that match your video. You just have to drag it and drop onto the timeline. Now adjust the audio length according to the video, and if you want to increase or decrease the volume then you just have to slide the sidebar, and after that hit on the play button to preview it at once. If you find everything looks good then hit on the share button at the top right side to download it. So that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.